Okay, here's the following problem. Let's open a File Explorer window, and here are the drive letters that are visible. Okay, now I will plug in an external hard drive using a USB cable. Okay, the hard drive is plugged in, and although something disappeared from here, no drives, no partitions appeared. So I can't see my external hard drive. Okay, to fix this problem, in this case only the drive letter is not showing up, the hard drive is okay. To fix this problem, right click this PC and go to Manage. And on the Manage page, go to Disk Management. And here the last one, judging by the size of that drive, the last one is my hard drive, my external hard drive. The rest of the partitions have their own drive letter, drive F, drive E, and so on, but this drive does not have a drive letter. So right click on that partition, change drive letter and paths, and add a drive letter. You can choose one manually or just accept it with OK. And yes, even the File Explorer is showing the content of that drive. It's a 1 terabyte, almost 1,000 gigabyte drive. Okay, that's it. How to show the drive letter and thus see the hard drive inside File Explorer. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.